Guys, do you know you can now create mini SaaS and in fact full-fledged SaaS using the help of AI? Let's suppose you have any problem in mind and now you don't have to literally subscribe to any subscription for most of your tasks. Like other than if it's not a specialized task, you can literally create your own mini SaaS problem solving things by yourself. Yes guys, I'm not joking. This is the era of AI wherein you can literally develop, or what we say, you can literally wipe code SaaS applications, your own websites, your own applications in just no time. In this video, I will be showing you how I literally created my mini SaaS for creating my YouTube video thumbnails, creating my YouTube video title, generating description, tags, getting in my video ideas, like literally making that app and publishing it using the help of Hostinger Horizons. Yes guys, Hostinger Horizons is literally one-stop solutions to do all of these things. What you have to simply do, you just have to click the link in the description and you will be redirected to this website. You just simply have to do a sign in, and once you have done sign in, you have to go to pricing, select what type of plan do you want. Like I would highly recommend that if you are serious, you literally want to do good stuff of what do we say, wipe coding, definitely get the Hustler one, because you get enough AI credit to build some serious things. Of course you can always buy in more credits, but yes, this is the one. You can use my coupon code. I'll be sharing in the coupon code right here and also in the description and in the comment section as well. Once you have done with the payment, you will be redirected to this page wherein you can literally just tell whatever you want to build. So let's build YouTube title, description, thumbnail, tags, thumbnail, generator for creators, and I will just give this prompt and it is literally making that, as you can see. And let's suppose if you are stuck, you can always ask and just put in the screenshot of wherever you are stuck. It will literally help you, even if you are non-techie person like me. Like literally before this vibe coding era, I was not a techie person. I was always a marketing guy, but using AI is so simple, using Horizons is so simple. Wherever you are just stuck, you just literally tell it that I don't know how to do it. It would just tell you what are the steps, how you can easily do that function. So as you see, it's right now building it. We would right now build it on a temporary domain name, and then of course you can connect the domain name, make it live, make it like properly functional. But for this video purpose, I am just telling you an idea. Like you can definitely build your SaaS, like your own version of mini SaaS according to your problem. Right now it is asking us with a couple of things, like let's just click next. You can literally preview, edit content, code, data, whatever you feel like, and you can ask the AI assistant. As you see, it's building at the moment. You see the progress. This literally created a real-time tool. Let me open in a new tab. As I said, it will make a temporary domain. Let's suppose, let's create a practical, thumbnail. Best monitor under 5,000, or let's take 7,000. Let's just generate in title and description. The moment you click enter, this would give you title, idea, description, tags and hashtags, and also hook, because again in this era hooks are very important. So it's generating at the moment. And also guys, this has created a backend as well, wherein you can see what people are asking and what is happening. You can also collect user data, verify with name and things. There is some problem, so we can also debug. It is not generating in data. Can you check? I tested with one keyword because it was not working. I don't need to manually check. I can simply just ask AI, add in features. As it's saying that it has updated 2 files. Like I'm sure this would have the tool would have found some issue. So it's working to fix. Hopefully once it's fixed, it actually works. It's saying that it has fixed and the website works. Let's just check again. Generate ideas. Let's see, it's loading. So let's put in. It's generating at the moment. As you see, it has given me that what all angles can I have, and once I have it, I can go in more detail. If I pick in an angle, create a full. So like, in this ways you can literally create in stuff like create in mini SaaS. This was a very basic version, but the purpose of this video was to tell you that you can literally do a lot of stuff with hosting your horizons. Link is in the description. Don't forget to use my coupon code Kushal's Horizon. Like, it will be displaying over here also in the description. You can check out, click the link, use my coupon code, start your vibe coding journey. If you want to get started with vibe coding and want to know more information, do subscribe to my channel as well. I will be bringing in more such videos around this. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked the video. If you did, let me know in the comment section down below. I hope to see you in my next one. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.